Hello guys, welcome to my channel. What is the topic? Today we are going to talk about master production schedule. Let's talk about the definition. A master production schedule, MPS, is a detailed plan that tells a factory what to make, how much to make, and when to make it. It's like a roadmap for production, ensuring efficient use of resources and timely delivery of products. Now let's understand with a simple example. Imagine you run a shoe factory. Your master production schedule will tell you what to make: sneakers, boots, or sandals, how many to make: 1,000 pairs of sneakers, 500 pairs of boots, and 200 pairs of sandals. When to make them: produce sneakers in January, boots in February, and sandals in March. This plan helps you organize your factory's work, ensuring you have the right materials and workers to meet customer demands on time. Let's learn about the objectives. 1. Efficient planning. To create a clear plan for production, ensuring smooth operations and avoiding bottlenecks. 2. Meeting customer demand. To make sure the factory produces the right products at the right time to satisfy customer needs. 3. Optimizing resource use. To use the factory's resources, like machines and workers, effectively, avoiding waste and maximizing output. 4. Reducing costs. By planning carefully, the factory can minimize unnecessary expenses and improve overall efficiency. Let's talk about the procedure of MPS. 1. Forecast demand. Figure out how much of each product customers will likely need in the future. This is often based on past sales data and market trends. 2. Check capacity. Ensure your factory has the resources, like machines, workers, and materials, to produce the forecasted demand. 3. Create the schedule. Develop a detailed plan that outlines like what to make, which products to produce, then how much to make, the quantity of each product. Lastly, when to make it, the specific time frame for production. 4. Review and adjust. Regularly review the schedule and make changes as needed to account for unexpected factors like increased demand, supply chain issues, or machine breakdowns. By following these steps, a factory can create a well-organized plan that ensures efficient production and customer satisfaction. Let's talk about the time fences. Time fences are checkpoints within an MPS that divide the planning horizon into different zones, each with varying degrees of flexibility for making changes. 1. Frozen zone. This is the portion of the schedule closest to the current time, where changes are highly restricted or prohibited. This zone ensures stability and prevents disruptions to ongoing production. 2. Firm zone. This zone allows for limited modifications, typically for critical changes or unforeseen circumstances. Changes here require careful consideration and may impact downstream operations. 3. Firm zone. This zone offers more flexibility for adjustments, such as changes in product quantities or delivery dates. However, changes should still be evaluated to minimize their impact on resource allocation and production schedules. Open zone. This is the furthest point in the planning horizon, where changes can be made relatively easily without significant consequences. By implementing time fences, organizations can strike a balance between flexibility and stability in their production planning. That's all for today, guys. Please like and share this video to your friends. Let's again meet in our next video. Have a good day.